Hey, my sweet sixth graders, Miss Vitale here. I just wanted to come to you guys and start our discussion a little bit on nets and surface area. Okay, so before we get started, we need to talk a little bit about some terms or some definitions that will help you as we begin to talk about nets and surface area. Okay, so first off, I want us to look at this object, okay? It's squares all around. And so we know that this is a cube, okay? Because it's got squares all around. And we know that it has a special name and it's called a cube, okay? On this cube, you have what's called a face. This is a cube's face. It's the shape that is on the outside of this cube. So this cube has 6 faces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Okay, so it has faces. It also has edges. Edges are anywhere where the faces meet. Okay, just like a regular edge, like what you would think an edge. And then a vertex is where any of those edges meet, okay? So face is the outside, edge is where 2 faces meet, and vertex is where 2 edges meet, 2 or more edges meet, okay? Vertex, all right? So those are 3 terms we need to keep in mind and we need to know before we begin talking about nets and area. Okay, so we've talked a lot this year about what area is. And what is area? Area is, if we were going to get carpet laid in our classroom, area would be the whole floor. All that would be area, okay? And we measure area in square units, right? So your answers should always be units squared. So if it's centimeters, it should be squared. If it's meters, it should be squared. It always should be in squared, okay? Because you can think about that because you've got this times this, so that would be squared, right? Okay, so area, if we were going to wrap this is a present. This is your birthday present. Happy birthday, okay? These are your, this is the dojo prize for the week, okay? So here's our dojo prize, and we want to wrap it up because we want it to be nice and we want it to be a surprise. So how much wrapping paper we would need to cover this box, this cube, would be area, okay? Volume is if we were everything inside of this cube is volume. Do you see Victoria back there? Say hi. Victoria's going to learn too. Okay? So volume is all the stuff inside. Area is all the stuff on the outside. Now, one more thing we need to talk about. If we were to take this cube apart, okay, we would get what's called a net, okay? These are the printables that are available under printable in the lesson plan, okay? We can take this, I've cut it out, we can fold it like so. And we can make ourselves a cube. Okay, when we unwrap it, this is called a net, okay? So we've got another new term. This is a net. Remember, face, edge, vertex, okay? All these are going to be really important as we start to work on finding the area, okay? One hint I'm going to give you guys and one tip. Have an index card and write down your formulas for area and volume for square, triangle, and circle, okay? That way it will help you.
Mama,
and rectangle.
Yeah. There's an oval.
Yes, oval. That will help you as you are and oval, but you don't need to know that, but Victoria wants you to know oval, okay?
Oval.
Okay, go find Daddy now, okay? All right, so those will help you on your note card because what we are going to do, if we need to know surface area, we want to know the area of this whole figure. We can find the area of this, the area of this, the area of this, the area of this, of this, and of this, and we can get the whole surface area of a cube, okay? So that's all you're going to do, or volume for that matter, okay? So look on page 124, make sure you're going over the instructions, reading what Miss Miller has, and then see what you can do, okay? As always, email me with questions or comments if you need help. And I love you guys. I hope to see you guys soon. Bye.